Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Phantom Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Phantom Wallet application on your device and you will now see the I already have a wallet as well as create a new wallet option. Click on the I agree to the terms of service checkbox and then tap on create a new wallet. You can now continue forward with your email address, or you can also create a seed phrase wallet. Proceed with either one of these methods and you will either be given a seed phrase for your wallet or you will be asked to log in using your Google account. You may also enable your biometric verification if you wish to do so. You will now be shown your recovery phrase. Make sure to save it somewhere and then click on OK, I saved it somewhere. After confirming that you have saved your recovery phrase, you can tap on the Get Started button and now your account has been signed up already. You will now be able to send and receive funds and buy assets as well as swap them right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Phantom Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.